Hey guys, welcome back to Goth and Budget, and I'm just gonna sew the tablecloth for the table. Sometimes my sewing machine sucks, but hey. And right now I have to count all my jewelry and the art pieces I will be taking with me. Yeah, a lot of it's ball jewelry, and then you have some rings. And I have people literally buy my stuff just for my Goth and Budget stickers. And now I can get those out for free. Dude. And then here is all the stuff I will be packing into this bag. All my jewelry and rings, my paintings in those bags, the inventory list, tablecloth, the card holders, an extra battery for my phone, and then all the displays that my boss is letting me borrow, along with my stickers. Yeah, got this bag at Ross for 20 bucks. Woohoo! And let's get packing. This is my display for the event. The official event was called Grrrls to the Front, Riot Girl over at UCSD. I was really glad that I got to be a part of it. I mean, I made a lot of sales. So thanks to everyone who came out and said hi, got my stickers, bought some jewelry, and now to make more. Yeah, I totally would love to do this again.
Is very caring and loves to box. Ooh, happy birthday, Casey. Put them up, put them up. Cute picture there. What a great smile. Happy birthday to Rose. She's a nurse who loves collecting sand dollars on the beach. Happy birthday, Rose. We love what you do. A big congratulations to Chloe. She's about to graduate and is also in the middle of planning her wedding.
Oh my God.
On there. Congratulations, Chloe. A very happy anniversary to
I gotta iron my cap and gown before we get going, and I just saw a spider and I don't know where it went with a black widow. Fuck.
Marvin Colon. Xochitl Aguilar. Caitlin Faye Rivera. Colin Adler.
I'm recording. Hi.
Love you. Proud of you.
Love you too.